Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And today's online lecture is for the class 2. And this online lecture and the subject is mathematics. So let's start today's lecture. So as you know this thing that we always begin our lecture with the quote. So today also we are going to see first a quote. Today is a perfect day to become better. So every day is a new day and every day become a better. We become a better person every day. So every day you have to say this sentence to yourself that today is a perfect day to become better. So every day you can just make yourself better. Now we are in the chapter number 8. We are doing here revision of the essay 2 and the chapter number 8. The name of this chapter is Exploring Multiplication Further. Let's do revision today. Those students who are not doing revision, for them I am just sending revision in every day's lecture because revision is compulsory for you all. So please do revision every day of every subject, every topic you have to do the revision because your final exams will come soon. So please do revision. Now the portions is complete, so I am sending you the revision videos. These all the topics we already had done. We already had learned these all the topics, but we are revising here because some students having doubt regarding these types of topic, so we can solve it. So let's do revision first. So let's see the topic. The name of this topic is multiplying two digits number. What the name of this topic is? Multiplying two digit number. So this topic we already had done when this chapter is running. This chapter was running. We did this chapter already, but today we are going to do revision. So if you having doubt regarding this chapter or the concept is not clear to some students or some students forgetting, if they are not doing revision, they are forgetting this chapter, this concept also, this topic, that multiplying two digit number. So let's start the revision here. I am explaining this topic again here. So let's see some examples regarding this topic. So if the topic is not clear to those students, they will clear here. So let's see the examples. So for the two digit sums, multiplying two digit sums, let's see the some examples. So here is the step 1. Let's follow some steps. And here is the step 1. We have to follow the step 1. So first of all, here is 24. 24 multiplied by 2. This cross sign you can see. This is the sign of multiplication. So first of all, we have to speak the table number 2 till 4. 2 fours are. Or if you know the table number 4 very well, you can speak it till the 2. 2 fours are, or you can speak also 4 twos are. Both are the same multiplication sentence, or in the both the way you will get the same answer only. 2 fours are and the 4 twos are also. You will get the same answer. 4 twos are and 2 fours are. So here is 4 twos are is equal to So first of all, you have to follow this sentence. Multiply 2 with the ones value. Don't forget this, that always start multiplying, adding, subtracting with the ones value only. So here also you can see both the digits in a different color, that 2 and 4 are in a orange color. 2 fours are. So 2 fours is equal to 8. Here you can see 2 fours is equal to 8. Now the next is step 2. You can see here the color is changed of the 2 digit we have to multiply. The color, same color digit we have to multiply. Multiply 2 with tens value. What to do? Multiply 2, here is the 2, with the tens value. So the tens value here is 2. So let's multiply 2 with 2. Both the digits are same. 2 twos are. So 2 twos is equal to 4. Now to solve this types of sum together, you have to perform both the steps together. I repeat my sentence, that if you want to do this sum, just perform both the steps in one sum together. Let's see that how we can perform both the steps together. Here let's see with one example with the same sum, so you can better understood. 2 fours are. First of all, we have to multiply number 2 with the ones value, which is 4. Let's multiply 2 with the ones value, which is 4. So here is 2 fours are. 2 fours are is equal to 8. So we have to write down 8 under the ones value, the ones column. Now let's multiply 2 with the tens value. So 2 twos are. First step we had done, that multiply 2 with the ones value, that 2 fours is equal to 8. 2 fours are 8, and the step 2 is multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 2. So 2 twos is equal to 4. So here we get the answer 48. This one is the answer, and this way you have to perform both the steps. Let's see some another examples, so you will be better understood this. Here is step 1. So multiply 3 with ones value. You can check that the color of these two digits are same in a orange color. So here let's multiply number 3 with the ones value. So the ones value is here 2. So you can speak the table number 3 till the 2. Just focus on the words. You can speak the table number 3 till the 2, or else you can speak the table number 2 till the 3. 2 threes is equal to 6, and 6 twos is also equal to 6. This way you have to complete the step 1. Now the step 2 is multiply 3 with tens value. What to do? Multiply number 3. Here is 3, you can see. You have to multiply it with the tens value. So the tens value is 3. You can see the color is the same of the 2 digits. 3 threes are. So here both the numbers are same. So you have to speak the one table only, the table number 3 till the 3. So 3 threes are is equal to 9, and you have to write down 9 under the tens column. Now let's perform both the steps together in one sum. So as per the step 1, we have to multiply number 3 with the ones value, and the ones value is number 2. Or you can speak table number 2 till the 3, or else you can speak the table number 3 till the 2. 2 threes are is equal to 6, or else 3 twos are is also equal to 6, and you can write down number 6 under the ones column. This way you can see on the screen. Now as per the step 2, let's multiply 3 with the tens value, which is also 3. So here 3 threes are. 3 threes are is equal to 9, and you have to write down number 9 under the tens column. So the final product is 96. You can tell answer in another way, product. So 32 multiplied by 3 is equal to 96. This is the answer, 96. Now the next one, let's follow the steps first. Multiply 2 with the ones value. Here is 2 and here is 4. So the 2 is the ones value. So we can speak the table number 4 till the 2, or else we can speak the table number 2 till the 4. You can see the color of these digits are same. So 4 twos are is equal to 8, or else 2 fours are is also equal to 8, and we have to write down number 8 under the ones column. Now let's follow the step number 2. Multiply 2 with the ones value. So here is the tens value is 1. So let's multiply 4 ones are. 4 ones are 4, or 1 fours are is also equal to 4. Now let's perform both the steps together in this sum. So here is 4 twos are. So 4 twos are is equal to 8, and 2 fours are is also equal to 8, and you have to write down number 8 under the ones column. Now let's multiply 4 with the tens value, which is 1. 4 ones are, or 1 fours are, both are equal to 4. 12 fours are 48. So this way you have to perform both the steps together. So this worksheet is a homework for you students. First row let's solve here, and the next two rows we will solve in the next lecture. But this 2 row is a homework for you. These 2 rows are homework for you. We will solve these 2 rows in the next lecture. But let's solve this first row, this first 4 sum in today's lecture. So let's start solving. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 42. Next sum, 2 2s are. 2 multiply 1's value. 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4 and multiply 2 with the tens value. 2 4s are. 2 4s are is equal to 8. Now here is 2 3s are. So the 2 3s are is equal to 6. Let's multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 5. 2 5s are is equal to 10. So the answer is 106. Now the next one is 2 4s are. 2 4s are is equal to 8. Now let's multiply 2 with the 8. 2 8s are is equal to 16. Now students, this first row I had done here. Now just try to solve these two rows by yourself. So now as we have to complete the another line of this worksheet here, first has been done. So let's start completing these two lines here of the multiplication sum. This sum will help you a lot. This sum is for your practice. This one is the practice worksheet. So please do revision. So let's start solving these sums now. Now here is 3. We have to speak the table number 3. So let's multiply number 3 with the ones value, which is 3. So here let's say that 3 3s are is equal to 9. And we have to write down 9 under the ones column. This way you can see 3 3s are. We have to multiply number 3 with the ones value, which is also 3. So 3 3s are is equal to 9. Now let's multiply 3 with tens value. So the tens value is 4. Here you can see 3 4s are is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. So we have to write down 2 under the tens column and we have to write down 1 under the hundreds column. So we can read the answer as a 129. How we can read it? We can read the answer as a 129. So the answer for this is 129. Now let's move for the next sum. 3 2s are. So first of all we have to speak the table number 3 and we have to multiply it with the ones value 2. 3 2s are. The ones value is 2. So we have to speak 3 2s are, or else you can speak 2 3s are. In both the situation you will get the same answer. 3 2s are is equal to 6 and 2 3s are is also equal to 6. And you have to write down number 6 under the ones column. Here you can see we can write down under the ones column. Now let's multiply 3 with the tens value. So what the tens value is? See this, the tens value is 5. 3 5s are. So 3 5s are or 5 3s are. In both the ways you will get the same answer. 5 3s are is equal to 15 and 3 5s is also equal to 15. So you have to write down 5 under the tens column, and the 1 you have to write down under the hundreds column. You are getting answer in the 3 digit. How many digit you will get the answer? 3 digit, or you can read this as a 156. How you can read this? 156. Let's move for the next sum. Here we have to speak the table number 2. Let's speak the table number 2 here. So first of all, let's multiply number 2 with the ones value. So the ones value is 4. 2 4s are, or else you can say 4 2s are. In both the ways you will get the same answer as I said you before also. 2 4s are or 4 2s are is equal to 8, and you have to write down 8 under the ones column. Where you have to write it down? You have to write it down under the ones column, the number 8. Now you have to multiply number 2 with the tens value. So just check what the tens value is. So the tens value is number 6. 2 6s are, or else you can say that 6 2s are. In both the ways you will get the same answer. 2 6s are and 6 2s are is equal to 12. So here you can see this, that we can write down answer here this way. We are getting answer in a 3 digit. We can write down 2 under the tens column, or else we can write down 1 under the hundreds column. So the answer we can read as a 128. Now the next one, let's pick the table number 3, and we have to multiply it with the ones value first. So the ones value is 2. So 3 2s are, or else you can say this 2 3s are or 3 2s are. In both the ways you will get the same answer. 3 2s are is equal to 6 and 2 3s are is also equal to 6. So you have to write down 6 under the ones column, as you can see on the screen right now. 3 2s are or 2 3s are is equal to 6. Here I am writing 6 under the ones column. Now 3 9s are. You have to multiply 3 with the tens value. So just check, the tens value is 9. What the tens value is? 9. So 3 9s are, or else 9 3s are. In both the ways, in both the multiplication sentence, you will get the same answer. 3 9s are or 9 3s are. 3 9s are and 9 3s are. The answer of this sentence 3 9s are is equal to 27. So here I am writing 27. Now you have to write down 7 under the tens column, and you have to write down 2 under the hundreds column, or you can read this as a 276. How you can read this? 276. This is the answer. Now the next sum, 4 2s are. You have to speak the table number 4. Let's multiply 4 with the ones value, which is 2. So 4 2s are, or else 2 4s are. Both are equal to 8, and we have to write it down under the ones value. Here you can see 2 fours is equal to 8. We have to write it down under the ones column. Now let's multiply 4 with the tens value 5. 4 fives or 5 fours. Both are same. In both the sentence, you will get the same answer. 4 fives or 5 fours. Both are equal to 20. So we can write down 0 under the tens column, and we can write down 2 under the hundreds column. So the answer we can read as a 208. How we can read the answer? 208. Let's move for the next sum. 4 ones. We have to speak the table number 4 here. Let's multiply 4 with the ones value, which is 1. So 4 ones or 1 fours, both are equal to 4. So this way we can write down 4 ones are 4 or 1 fours are 4. So we have to write down 4 under the ones column. Now 4 sevens or 7 fours. 7 is a tens value. So we have to multiply it with the 4. 4 sevens is equal to 28, and 7 fours is also equal to 28. So we can write down answer this way. 4 sevens or 7 fours is equal to 28. So the answer we can read as a 284. Let's take the next sum. Let's multiply 4 with the ones value, which is 2. So 4 twos or 2 fours both are equal to 8, and we can just write down 8 under the ones column. Now the tens value is 9. 4 nines we have to multiply 9 with the 4. So 4 nines or 9 fours both are equal to 36. So we can write down 6 under the tens column, and we can write down 3 under the tens column. And the answer we can read as a 368. How we can read the answer? 368. Now the next one is, let's multiply 4 with the ones value, which is 2. 4 twos. 4 twos is equal to 8, and 2 fours is also equal to 8. So we can write down 8 under the ones column. Now 3 fours or else 4 threes both are equal to 12. So we can write down the answer 128. How we can write down this? 128. So this is the extra sum, and you have to practice this sum a lot. Please write down the sums for the practice. Your multiplication practice will improve. Please do this exercise for your multiplication sum improvement. This is very good for you, students. So that worksheet, which is the extra sum of the multiplication, please write down in the rough book, because that we already written in the fair book. Or those students who still not write this worksheet in the fair book, whose fair book is incomplete, those who don't write this extra sum in the fair book, so please complete the fair book from the revision lecture videos. Now thank you for your attention. Thank you for the watching this video, students. Now stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Just do the revision for the Essay 2 exams. Your Essay 2 exams will come soon, so we will meet with some new revision topics next day. So have a nice day, students.